Right then guys, Mrs. C's at work, I'm making a short, in fact I'm making dinner. Yeah, I can cook. Check this out guys. So what we've got going on here is some nice chopped up chicken with a bit of rosemary, a little basil, and we're just going to brown that a little bit. I'm doing something completely different today guys. So, not going too mad with it. Just chicken, chopped up, basil, bit of rosemary, and a bit of oil, obviously. So I just want to seal it. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm going to do something really crazy, guys. Pasta. Just pasta. And what we're going to do there, let's chuck about 200 grams into the pan. You're asking me why. It'll all make sense in a minute. So we're just going to mix raw pasta with the chicken and the oil. That's all we're going to do. Just mix it in. You're thinking Steve's lost the plot now. I know what you're thinking guys. It'll all make sense very, very shortly. The quickest recipe on record this guys. So there we are, it's in a bowl. We've just put it in an oven proof dish, and then obviously the oven we're getting up to about 200 degrees, and we're going to give that 20 minutes. Secret ingredient, nice and cheap, tomato and bacon pasta sauce. Just bang that all over it. Chuck that all over that. That's pretty much it. And then that goes in the oven, uncovered, for 20 minutes. Looks like we've hit 200 guys. So, in she goes. It looks like crap, but I tell you what, it smells lovely already. Into the oven. Let's get that 20 minutes, which is about enough time for me to drink 2 more of them. Okay. That tells me 20 minutes. Let's go and see what we've got here. Thought we'll just kill that. There we are. Oh, she's a cooking and she's a steaming. So let's just get this thing out of the oven. After 20 minutes, drop it on there, close that because we'll need it again in a minute. And then what we're going to do now guys, I'm just going to give this a mix in. It's looking quite nice to be honest. So for my next trick, we're going to get some good old English plastic cheese, some mozzarella, and then we're just going to coat the top of that guys. Oh, that's going to be so nice. Hope the missus likes it. Okay, that took about 6.5 bits of plastic cheese. Now we're going to stick some mozzarella on there. Just put plenty on because I want this to toast off. Hope you guys are following me on this. Mozzarella. Italiano. In fact, let's just empty the packet on there. There we go. Give it a spread around. And that, guys, is going back in the oven. It's going back in the oven right now. As the French would say, pièce de résistance. Back in the oven. What Steve would say after about 6 cans of Stella is piste de resistance. Right, let's get that in there. Come on, cook up. Mrs. will be home soon. I need to impress. Alright guys, so it's 28 minutes past 4. Now, Mrs. C normally gets home at 4:30. She's not coming home at 4:30. She's literally just texted me to say she's been out and about with residents, and so she's going to be about an hour late. What I'm going to do, guys, is just turn this oven off, because this beautiful, you can't even see it in the, this beautiful pasta bake, it's going to be completely ruined if I sort of leave it in there. So I'll switch off the oven. Mrs. C will be home soon, and then we'll just warm it up and serve it. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so wife has finally come home. She's not quite an hour late. Food's soon to be on the table, guys. Okay guys, well, it's only 5 o'clock, so Mrs. C's home half an hour early. Weird enough, she's come straight in, and she's put rice in the microwave. Anyway, let's get back to the main thing. We got food, it's cooking, we're turning off. Let's see what happens next. Right, food's ready. Oh, look at this. This is madness. I'm going to give Mrs. C a nice big plateful of this pasta. Here it comes. Oh, here we are. Things you do for your wife. Hey, we got food. Mrs. C's in the garden somewhere, but we got food on the table, guys. Let's try a little reaction. Mrs. C's food, Mr. C's food, and an out of work man that's trying to do the best he can for his family. Right, so Mrs. C's home.
Thanks, Ben, for the dinner.
That's okay, babe. Want to try it?
What is this?
Have a go. Tell me. You tell me.
What is this shit?
What is this? Is it good?
Not bad.
Not bad. Right, out of 10.
8.
Are you sure? Take another mouthful.
Thanks, Ben.
Okay. Love you, babe.